Have you ever wondered how to grow tomatoes without soil? Today, we're diving into the world of Kratky hydroponics, a simple and cost-effective method of growing plants without soil. In this tutorial, discover how to cultivate tomatoes using this fascinating method. The first task on your list is to gather the necessary materials. These include a container, net cups, a growing medium, tomato seedlings, a nutrient solution, and a pH testing kit. Once you have your materials, it's time to prepare the container. Fill it with water until it's about 2 inches below the rim, ensuring the container is clean and free from debris. Now it's time to add the nutrient solution to the container. Follow the instructions on the package and ensure it's well mixed with the water. Next, add the growing medium to the net cups. You have options here, such as perlite, vermiculite, or coconut coir. Fill the net cups about 2/3 full with your chosen medium. Now, you're ready to plant the tomato seedlings in the net cups. Make sure their roots are well covered with the growing medium. With your seedlings in place, it's time to test the pH of the nutrient solution using your pH testing kit. Aim for a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. If it's too high or too low, adjust it using pH up or pH down solutions. Next, find a sunny spot for your container. Your tomato plants will need at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Finally, keep an eye on your plants. Monitor the nutrient solution level and top up as needed. Regularly check the pH level and adjust it if necessary. And don't forget to remove any dead leaves or debris from the container. And there you have it. Growing Kratky hydroponic tomatoes is an easy and enjoyable process. With a little bit of effort, you could be enjoying fresh and delicious tomatoes all year round. Thanks for joining this journey into the world of hydroponics.